Your first $100 online is literally 3 steps away, and today, I'm handing you the blueprint. Let's go. Hey, it's Micah Green here. If you're tired of trading time for money and ready to turn your passion into profit, click that like button, subscribe, and let's unlock your freedom this week. By the end of this video, you'll have a live product making money while you sleep. Let's dive in. Beacons is your all-in-one freedom machine. No coding, no complex fees, just your creativity. Turn into ebooks, templates, coaching calls, or even custom Spotify playlists. 90% of creators sleep on this goldmine, but you're about to wake up. Step 1, your digital product. Don't overthink it. Fitness? Sell a 5-day shred plan. Artist? Brush preset packs. Writer? Romance novel outlines. Your audience already trusts you. Give them the shortcut they're begging for. Pro tip, check your DMs. Your product idea is hiding there. Step 2, list it on Beacons. Click products. Upload your file, set the price, add a spicy description. Boom, store done. This button, it's your freedom trigger. Pull it. Step 3, flood your audience. Use Beacons built-in promo kit, Insta stories, TikTok templates, done for you. Add a pop-up to your bio link so every visitor sees it. Then deploy your secret unpaid assistant, Smart Reply. Automate DMs when fans comment on your posts, so your sales are on autopilot. Your turn to get behind the wheel. 3 simple steps: create, upload, promote. Your first $100 is waiting. If you're ready to quit the 9-to-5, let's make 2025 your year. Go build. Like this video, click that button, ring the bell, and go get your first sale. This is the beginning of a new chapter for you. I'm rooting for you. See you in the next one. Big love and gratitude to all.